Hey everybody, and welcome back. So recently I just went to Dollar Tree and just to check out some of their new Halloween decorations, because I'm going to be making some just little Halloween crafts here and there in the next couple weeks. And so to get started, I picked up some of these. It's like cupcake inserts. I never used these before, but I kind of like the pumpkins on the end of the stick, so I'm going to be using those. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. I don't know, pretty much know what I'm going to do with any of the stuff yet, but I'll keep you guys posted on that. I got a few ideas, but I don't want to give away too much just yet. So that's what these are. You can get these at your local Dollar Tree. I know it's been a while since I've been, but decided to go ahead and pick up a few things. So next up I have these little foam skulls. Get that in there. You get quite a few in this pack, and I might end up just painting these, or I might just paint them a different color. Maybe like a black. I got some chalk paints too, so I'll go ahead and paint these black. Probably put them on like a wreath or something, or there it is right there. Like I said, I got a few ideas for these things, but don't want to give away too much too early. And next up we have it's these like decorative little skeleton hands. They're not really small either, they're kind of big, as you can see compared to my arm. I don't know if you can see that. But I might use these for hanging on the wall, or just out in the yard somewhere, just for the fact of how big they are. But yeah, these are all the new things they have at Dollar Tree. So if you like any of this stuff, you can just go ahead and get you a few of these. Next up we have a wooden pumpkin. It's nothing too complicated about it. There's the inside of it. Yeah. Again, it might be something I might just go ahead and paint. Might add a light to it on the inside, make it light up. We'll see. So that's the third thing, or maybe fourth. I'm not really keeping count. Then I got a little porcelain tray. Not too much to say about this. I mean, it's just a porcelain tray. I might just stuff it with something. Maybe those skulls that I found, I might paint those black and just stack them in here and make it look like a little graveyard theme. And then I'll go ahead and paint this too. But I'll let you guys know how that goes. That's it right there. And I have a bigger pumpkin. This is more like a wire, I don't know. I think this will go good in like the garden or something. All right, so as to not make this a really long video, I decided to speed it up a little bit. All right, so next up we have just a different set of those cupcake inserts I had in the beginning, but instead these are bats. Look at them, they're pretty cool. I really like these. All right, next up we have, it's like these little wooden leaf cutouts. They're really hard. They look like cardboard in the video, but they're actually pretty solid. So I might use those for something else. maybe a coaster or something. We'll see. All right, so next up we have this cool skeleton box. It got a slider in the back. It opens up so you can see inside. Yeah, I might go ahead and add a light inside of there, or just make it light up, or I don't know. I might even cut the skull out of the front and replace it with something else. Next up we have, it's like these little well, it's another one of those cupcake inserts, but it's actually I don't know if it's a ghost or a skeleton. You really can't tell from the video, and I can't tell from the package. So next up we have it's these Halloween signs. They both say different things on them, but I'm not going to use that, so I'm going to paint over that. All right, and next up we have it's these I don't know, the like corn skewers or something. I don't know. I might not even use those. But last but not least, I have a serving tray. I haven't done a good serving tray in a long time, so we'll see what happens with that. Those are always fun to do. But yeah, that's my Dollar Tree haul. Just let you guys see what I picked up, and stay tuned for more, and I'll show you what I made with everything. All right, thanks for watching.